Well done, Megan. Annie, what do you think of Megan's performance?
That was absolutely beautiful. I mean, when I asked you what you were singing, and you said the one that got away, the slow version, I was expecting you to just sing the one that got away, but you changed it up so much. I think I prefer your version, to be honest. I mean, wow, you were really captivating as well. I mean, when you were just staring, you could tell that you were feeling every single word, and you were so focused on singing this song. And your riffs as well, they were so controlled, and I really liked the different parts of the no and bits. I loved them. I loved that performance. I didn't want to look away to write anything, but I knew if I didn't write anything, I'd forget everything, and I wouldn't say anything. But yeah, I loved it. Incredible. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think of Megan?
I've only ever seen you like belt out like musicals and stuff, but I prefer you doing this, where you've got complete creative control. I think it was really clever the way you arranged it, because you were able to show off your range and your control. It was really, really cleverly done. But I thought that was the best I've ever heard you. I think that's such it just showed off everything about your voice and what you can do, and I think that's where you need to sit now, because you had everything, all kinds of emotions. You were vulnerable at the beginning, and I thought that was really, really sweet the way that you conveyed the song. I really loved that. Well done.
Megan, yeah, I mean, after listening to that, like, I've got to say too, like, you know, we all go through stages in music where we will get our confidence knocked and things like that. And, you know, it's for you to tell yourself that it doesn't matter what they thought or what they thought or what they thought. This is what you love to do, and you do it so damn well. So it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. It really doesn't, you know, because a lot of people look for other people's confirmation of, oh, am I accepted? Am I good enough? Am I great? And the truth is, who cares? If they don't think I'm good, go somewhere else. I don't care what they think, because as long as I'm happy, there you are. And that's how you need to put your mindset, all right? Back to your performance. For me personally too, this for me was the best aspect and best part of your voice that I've heard from you. Like, I know you've got variety in your voice. We've seen it all in the past. But this to me is definitely my favourite. What I noticed today, you put so much of your own little vibe into that song. You changed certain melody lines and changed certain tones and things that has made it really, really Megan. And it really does. When I say to people, you know, as an artist, you need to stand up, you need to make people go, that's the name, I know them. That's kind of what that song does. That song after this will make people go, that's that girl Megan. Because you put your stamp to it. It didn't sound like Katy Perry's. So yeah, I agree with Kelly. You know, when we, you know, I think you said that anyway, but about doing more of this. Yeah, you did, didn't you? This is definitely where I see more too. Just with these sort of songs where you can really put your own spin. And like I said, you're back for this experience to just get comfortable again and get confident again. But let me tell you now, I told you before you even entered it, you don't need to come into this for your voice, because your voice is awesome. All right, so well done. You smashed that performance. Well done, Megan.